Hello guys, in this video I want to speak with you about how to start your SaaS business without coding, without building the product, and immediately start selling your SaaS product to audience and make money. And in this video we will going to speak about it. The best way to start your SaaS business without coding and without spending tens of thousands of dollars is by using a white label programs from different SaaS softwares. And I want to show you on our Warmy.io account how you can start an email deliverability tool in just 1 hour, and you have your own business, a SaaS business that you can start making money. With Warmy, we offer an email deliverability tool, fully automated, where everything will be under your domain, under your logo, under your colors, and everything will be personalized, so nobody will know that this is Warmy, and basically it will be under your business. And imagine how many businesses out there need help with their email deliverability. What do I mean by email deliverability is that we can help businesses to make sure their emails are landing in the inbox and not in the spam, and increase the open rates and the reply rates. And every business today out there in the world is using emails to increase for their business, newsletters, cold emails, transactional emails, and you can help these businesses to increase the reply rate, the open rate, and you can start this business in just 1 hour of your time, a SaaS business. Nobody will know that this is Warmy. It will be under your domain, logo, everything will look authentic, and you can start your business immediately. So you can start trying it. Just click on join beta, and we will contact you, and we will start working together, and it can be amazing. So if you need any help, just leave a comment below or write to us, and we will be in touch. Thank you so much.